welcome to my channel. And if it's your first time, please feel free to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to know. And for today, guys, we are going to be making turmeric face mask. I'm going to show you how I make my turmeric face mask, and it's very good, very calming to the skin. Everything is natural and is organic. Okay guys, this is my skin without makeup. As you can see, my skin is getting better day by day. I'm really working on my skin. And stay tuned, guys. Let me show you how I make it, and go home, feel free, buy the ingredients and do yours, and it's really going to help you. Let's get there. Okay guys, please before you start your mixture, your environment has to be very clean, because whatsoever you add on your skin is going straight to your blood. Make sure your environment is clean, your working plate and cups, your spoon, they are 100% clean, and spray them with alcohol, please guys. Spray them with alcohol. This is the yogurt, and I'm just going to add the honey. I have added the honey, and this is my lemon juice. I have juiced it out of the lemon, and this lemon juice is very good to lighten up dark spots. We have to pour in the lemon juice. I have poured in the lemon juice, and now we have to add the turmeric powder. So this is the turmeric powder, guys. And we just have to mix them together. This mask is very good to the skin. It's going to lighten up your skin. It's going to lighten up your dark spots. It's going to fade all the scars on your skin. Just use this 3 times in a week after your scrub. Then you just apply this on your face, leave it for 15 minutes, and wash it off with cold water. This is very beneficial to the skin. Try this out, guys. Try this out. And I just have to put them into my container, and please, your container has to be clean. We don't need any form of bacteria in our mask, please. Okay guys, this is it. The face mask is ready. You just have to leave this. Always put it on the fridge. Take a little from it and apply to your face 3 times in a week, and after 15 to 20 minutes you can wash it off. Okay guys, if you like my video, please subscribe, like, and leave your comments below. Love you guys, and see you on my other video. Okay guys, before you put the mask on your face, you have to first scrub your face with the sugar scrub that I did. This is how I take care of my face. Every 3 times in a week, I have to scrub my face with my exfoliating sugar scrub. Then after that, I'm going to apply my mask. Yeah guys, I'm still scrubbing. Please scrub gently, not hard, because our face is very sensitive. It's not like our body. So I've been scrubbing for like 10 to 15 minutes now. I'm just going to wash it off and apply my mask. Okay guys, can you see how shiny my skin is? Can you see how shiny it is? And now I'm just going to apply my mask. Okay guys, I have applied it on my face now. It has been sitting on my face for 15 minutes now, so I'm just going to wash it off with cold water and moisturize my face. I do this every 3 times in a week. Try and do this, you're going to love it. Your skin is going to feel smooth. Bye guys.